Umpilo fought very much to be emselehu ngokwakhe, but solokwane yenzeka leyo nto kuze kube namhlanje. Ayikho into eyodwa engike ngayibona yenziwa Mthombeni ukukhombisa ukuthi I appreciate. Kunalokho ngibona em-sideliner everyday. Kunalokho imina engasuka ngathi Mthombeni Umpilo 10 to 21 waba no-16 wangabi namhlonyana. She is 10 to 21 ugraduate-ile ngesikhathi. Umpilo is a good child, kunaphunga engilaziyo ngaye engathi mangimbuka ngithi you don't deserve this. I really feel like she deserves everything esingakhona umenzela yona.
So what's happening kumpilo i-parental rejection, and laphayana kwa-Instagram kuphikiswana ngamagama, ngiyakudlwana nje. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Umusa stated that yena he won't be able to welcome Umpilo because yena noMakhumalo are fighting. At yena, since they are not on talking terms noMakhumalo, he won't be able to enzele Umpilo umsebenzi, and also yena uzokhona ukwenzela u-Abongwe umsebenzi. Mind you, wala wenzela u-Abongwe umhlonyana waphinde umenzelile yonke imisebenzi. I-21st umenzelile. uMakhumalo explained ukuthi Umpilo never got any of these, and uyasilwela nje isibongo sakaMsele kuMpilo, but she's not chosen. And ngokubona kwethu is that uMusa is just fighting the urge ukuthi aphanishe Umpilo ngenxa yokuthi Umpilo never agreed ukuthi amzalele umntwana, and also that she didn't believe in cultural things since she's Christian. And also besides that, ukuthi Umpilo never welcomed uMethuli the way uMusa was expecting ukuthi welcoming ngakhona. So ziningi izinto Umpilo azozijezela, plus nokuthi uMakhumalo noMseleko are not on good terms. But besides that, Umpilo is just a child, guys. uMusa should be proud of Umpilo ukuthi azange amhluphe, zange ave indaba zokuthi Umpilo umithi or uyajola esikoleni or bayamgijimisa or whatsoever. He never had indaba ezimbi as uMakhumalo asho. But instead of celebrate lokho, uMusa is just fighting nomntwana. Kabuhlungu nje. Kabuhlungu. And people are just thinking ukuthi uMusa is picky. As much as a picky kubafazi bakhe, he's also picky kubantwana babo. Because he supported uMpumelelo while he was in hospital egula laphayana. Wahamba wemshadisa uMpumelelo, umama kaMpumelelo engazi. He supported uLwandle emtshela ukuthi girlfriend yakhe imithi, wamtshela ukuthi hey sizohamba siyekhaba untombazana. He supported uAbongwe. He's supporting every child. Usine uceda umtshela ukuthi umithi, wamsupporta nomntanakhe. And now he can't even do a welcome ceremony for Umpilo just because kuyaliwa. Uma yena uyalwa noMusa, but uMpumelelo was able to get ukuthi ubabakhe amshadisele uMabiyela. Umusa at this point is just angazi man, and this is so painful, especially emntwaneni, guys. It's so painful. What are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.